Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make money online even if you're not an expert. So, if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video because I don't want to make you wait, and let's get into how you can make money online even if you're not an expert. So the very first thing is going to some people not sound like it's very important, but it is very, very important because you have to have a vision and see yourself winning. If you don't have that vision, then it's going to be a lot harder and most people will just fail. The reason this is if you have a vision and see yourself winning and actually believe, you see yourself with whatever lifestyle you want, whatever business you want, whatever, anything that you want in your life, and actually make money online, because this is what this video is about, then you have to have a vision of yourself actually making it happen. Because if you don't have that, then there's a good chance that you won't take the actions that are necessary. So the next thing is you have to make a decision, because making a decision is extremely important. That is what changed my channel. Now, I'm not saying that my channel is very big because I'm not at 1,000 subscribers yet, not even. However, this is what blew my channel up, because blew my channel up compared to what I was doing, because I was gaining one subscriber every 2 months or something like that, until I made a decision to put out videos every single day and actually decide that I was going to make this happen no matter what. So you really have to make a decision that this is what you're going to do. There's no plan B, plan C or anything like that. This is what you're going to make happen. So now let's get into the actual now let's get into the actual tactics of what you have to do, because keep in mind that these two things are really possibly the most important, but you do need to have some actual things that you need to do. So first, you have to choose something that you really enjoy and learn it. You don't have to be an expert at anything. If you are great, but if you're not, it doesn't really matter. You can start a channel on anything that you really enjoy and just learn it. So for example, I'm telling you how to make some money online. I have a few videos with that, and it's very informative, and I teach you how to do it. So what you can do is do what I tell you to, and then teach people how what you learned. So for example, I'm telling you that you have to put out videos every single day. So what you're going to do is put out videos every single day, because you can't just, and you can tell people I'm just this is where I'm starting from, I'm not earning any money, but I've learned this. This is something that I believe works, and this is what I'm going to try, because people are really interested in journeys and getting from zero to hero, if that makes sense. People really like to see that. So if you do that and you learn something, then put it out and just tell people I'm not making any money right now, but this is what I'm trying to do, this is what I'm doing today to actually make it happen. And a ton of people have done this before and actually made some money. So you're doing YouTube videos, and then I'm telling you on my videos, most of my videos, I'm telling you that you have to create an email list. And by the way, all these tips are really what you have to do. So then you actually have to make an email list. And if you're not sure how to make an email list or why or anything like that, click on my #1 recommendation, and that will take you step by step, and I'll explain everything that you need to know. But if you're making YouTube videos and then you're telling people, okay, I learned this thing that you have to create an email list. So I'm creating an email list today. This is my, like, that could be literally your second video. Like, I'm doing this email list thing because I believe this is important. Maybe check what I'm doing out and this could help you. Like, I have my #1 product in there. Like, if you click on my #1 recommendation, you can have everything laid out. So this is like the product that you should probably like sell. This is one of the best ones that is on the market, if not the best one. So now you're creating YouTube videos every single day. You have an email list, and then you're going to create an email sequence, and that's like the exact same product. Like, everything that I'm talking about right now is in my #1 recommendation. So you do all these things and take all these tips, and that is how you're going to do it, because you're going to learn something, do it, and then turn right back around and teach it, because you actually know how to do it now, because you're actually like doing it. And if you're not making sales right at the beginning, that's okay. You don't have to hide it, because since it's your journey and you don't know anything about it, then like chances are people in the comments are going to like comment and tell you that this is how you do it. Then your channel is going to grow, then you're going to get some people that are going to buy from you, and it's just going to scale up right back, because people really want to see you succeed. Now, yes, there are some haters, but you probably wait and counter them until you have like 100 or 200 subscribers. But that is in a nutshell what you have to do. Now, keep in mind, the haters will always be there, but these people are just people that are insecure, so don't worry about them too much. It's not that big of a deal. Everyone has them, and if you don't want to have a hater, then I suppose you just have to go and get a job and, you know, don't do anything that's different from everybody else, because otherwise people will hate you. But that sounds like a very boring life, because if you just like go to your job, go home and go to bed and then start all over again, then that's the life of everyone, and you want to be at least slightly different. And I believe like everyone in the world is like that. Not just people that want to make money online, but like everyone wants to be slightly different, and some people will have haters. So this was a bit of a rant, but you get the idea. So first you have to make a YouTube channel, like that's one of the big steps, and then like learn something from someone, like make an email list, and then just tell people what you're doing to actually start to make some money. And this is how you can make money online without being an expert. Now, keep in mind that this is not an overnight success thing. This is not something that's just going to make you a ton of money like in 2 days or anything like that. It's something that does take some time, but you learn as you do it, because if you never start, you never learn, and that's when you get stuck and don't do anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video, because this was my video for today. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day, just as I said. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.